Yo, what is up, all you credit repair business owners, all you credit repair hustlers? In today's video, we're gonna be talking to you about how to get your credit repair business to $1 million. Really quick, this is not gonna be this one thing that is like, bam, you're $1 million. No, that's not how it works. Obviously, you gotta work for stuff. All right. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. But let me tell you something really quick. I know that sounds shitty. Oh, Blade, I'm gonna have to work. I'm gonna do all this crazy stuff. No! Let me give you a quick fact. The chances of being, now this is gonna blow your mind. Chances of being alive are 1 out of 1,000,000,000,000. And realistically, we don't even know the number, so it can be a lot higher. Because realistically, we have an infinite universe, infinite dimensions, depending on what you believe in, infinite everything. So we cannot really come down with a number. But let's just say, chances of being alive are 1 of 1,000,000,000,000. Chances of becoming a millionaire is 1 of 100. So realistically, all you have to beat out is 99 people. I'm pretty sure you can work harder than 99 people. But let's get into this. Let me talk. How to truly become a millionaire with your credit repair business. The fact we all want to know how to make a shit ton of money with your credit repair business. Now, this mainly comes down to one important principle, okay? To really get your company to where it can make $1 million. One principle. I know it sounds crazy, but there's one principle. As long as you follow this one principle, yeah, you will. I promise you, right? It's simple. It's one principle. If you want to make $1 million, if you want to make that right there, you want to make $1 million, you have to act like a millionaire. What do I mean by, Blake, what do you mean by that? Then be a millionaire, you're worth $500 an hour, all right? $500 an hour. And now it's really dependent on what you do with that, because think about this for a second. Realistically, we have 24 hours in a day. Out of those 24 hours, probably chances are 10 of those you're sleeping. So right now, you have 14 hours. Okay, out of those 14 hours, let's say 2 of those hours, you eat 3 times a day, 3 hours. 3 of those hours, minus another 3, you're eating. This is sleep. And if you're at least working out 3 days a week, you got another hour off of that. So right now to 11 minus an hour workout. Let's say you got to work out. You actually got to work out and then go there, come back, take a shower. Another 2 hours, 11, 10, 9. 9 hours because you work out. 9 hours. Even less realistically, because you're going to want to take breaks. If you're not going crazy, like working individual segments of 30 minutes, take a break. You don't want to take a break. You're going to want to snack. You're going to have a couple calls. You're going to have different matters that should come up in the day. Pretty much what I'm trying to say is it's even less than 9 hours. Realistically, what I see, with all of that, realistically, I want to say, it's safe to say you have 7 hours. You have 7 hours in a day. All right? Minus everything that could happen in a day. You have 7 hours in a day to become a millionaire. 7 hours per day to become a millionaire. What are you doing with those 7 hours? That's what makes you a millionaire in your credit repair business. So let me break this down a little bit. All right? Break this down a little bit. Because the reason why this is super important, the reason why we're talking about this is because I see this a lot in the people I coach. Let me give you an example. Matter of fact, the first type of people that I was coaching, I coached this real estate agent. And I might have talked about this story in another YouTube video, or maybe I just talked to you individually during a strategy session about this, because this is super important and you really need to know this. But this story goes like this. I was talking at a consultation scheduled for 4 o'clock, and I don't know why I'm looking over there, but it kind of helps me gather my thoughts, so excuse me. I'll continue looking over there. But I had a consultation with this real estate agent, And I was supposed to be there like 4 o'clock. I got there like 3:30, maybe 3:15, because I wanted to be early and I wanted to meet people. I wanted to make some connections with everybody else in the office. This guy, he was probably making, from based upon the pre-qualification call, I mean, this was like 2 years ago. I don't really know exact numbers, but let's say he was making 200K a year, maybe 300K. Let's say 200K. Making 200K a year. He had a couple employees, a couple of VAs in his office, and he called me because he wanted me to help him put systems into place that helps him get to $1 million as a goal. And the problem with this is that as soon as I got there, I saw the person outside. I saw the boss, the guy that is the real estate agent that wants to make $1 million a year. What did I see him doing? I saw him outside and I saw him mowing his lawn. Now, normally, this is a fine thing. You can mow your lawn. But not when you want to become a millionaire and you only have 7 hours a day. If you really want to bring your credit repair business to the point where you are making $1 million, to the point where you're consistently making $1 million and you have that freedom. Realistically, by the way, $1 million is not a lot. But if you really want to get your credit repair business to the point where you are going to bank in $1 million, you have to be doing the type of things that will make you $1 million. So when you break this down a little bit more, if you're the type of guy in your credit repair business if you already have a one-man army in your credit repair business, it's not going to work. Not at all. If you're the type of person that's handling every single dispute letter, not going to work. If you're the type of person that if you're filming content, you're the one that edits and does the thumbnails and film the content, you're not going to become a millionaire. If you're the one that, I don't know, what I'm trying to say is if you want to become a millionaire, do millionaire things and hire out the rest. Realistically, you can go on Upwork, you can go on Fiverr, you can go on Facebook.com, go on a group, find somebody that actually specializes in the job at hand and pay them $3 an hour, because in the Philippines, their minimum wage is like $1. So they're paying them more. What I'm trying to say, that's super, super important, and I don't want to make this video too long. What I'm trying to say that if you really want to get your credit repair business to $1 million, first of all, you only got to beat up 99 people. Pretty sure you can do that. I mean, not going to say anything, but I'm pretty sure you can beat up 99 people. Second thing is, you need to be doing the steps that will make you $1 million. I know this video probably sounds like a lot of common sense. You might even say, oh, this is a BS video, wasting my time. But it's not. It's really not. Most people don't even think about it. They won't even come close to this. And if you are the type of person that thinks that this is a waste of time, that this common sense thing is a waste of time, and you haven't implemented, if you're the type of person that's still handling the dispute letters, still doing blah, 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 the little petty Mickey Mouse things, pretty much take a look at your business, see what could be, see up front, check out your look at your business, and see what could be done on somebody else's expense, what money could pay, what you could. Check out your business and see what you can do by giving somebody a couple of bucks to do the jobs for you. See in your business what systems you can put in place that gives you more time. Because realistically, we make as much money as you want in this world. There's endlessness, right? We're always printing money. You can make as much money in this world. But the one thing that we don't have infinite of, the one thing that's invaluable, the one thing that you can't make more of is time. It is time. You only have, realistically, you only have 7 hours out of the day. And I just broke that down for you. So if you really, truly, truly want to make your credit repair business into one of those powerful empires that are raking in millions of dollars, you want to make it into one of those powerful empires, you got to learn how to put systems into place. Matter of fact, what I would love to offer you is, if you're struggling with that, if you're, for some reason, you don't know what system you need to put in place, maybe for some reason you don't know, you're stuck, you feel stuck, or you need help, or you need somebody to tell you what to do, click the link down below. I have this little button where you can schedule a strategy with me or my team, and I'll be more than happy to quite literally look through your business, I tell you exactly, I'm a very blunt person, I'll be straight up with you. Look through your business, ask you a bunch of questions, tell you, listen, this is what you got to stop doing, this is what you need to continue doing, and this is what you need to put systems in place for. Like, obviously, you need a CRM. You need a system to onboard clients while you sleep, and you can click the link down below. Check out my CRM for you. But guys, I'm not trying to sell anything. I'm trying to help you out. if you really need help, you want to become that millionaire, and you haven't taken a look at your business, you know, if you're working too much inside your business, not outside your business, trying to grow it, that's a problem, all right? You should be able to put systems in place that grows your business. You should be able to put systems in place that allows your business to just run without you. You should be able to be on the beach while your business runs, all right? If that means hiring on-commission closers, making a better CRM, doing more paid ads, or figuring out paid ads, better marketing, you know, all those things. Click the link down below. Need help? Schedule strategy test with me. Or click the link down below and join my Facebook group because I have a bunch of videos like this. Matter of fact, we have something called the Credit Repair Blueprint. And in this Credit Repair Blueprint, it's going to teach you exactly how to monetize, how to optimize your social media presence and turn it into this powerful lead magnet. So that while you're doing normal things, normal everyday things like engaging on social media, you can optimize your social media presence, and when people hit your profile, they're like, oh, damn, he knows what he's talking about. Look at that credit repair business. I want to utilize him. You know? Click the link down below. Let me know what you guys think about this video. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.